In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do a medicine ball shoulder press. Now there's two types of medicine balls that you may come into contact with. We've got ones with handles and without. And dependent on what you've got access to, there is a little bit of slight variation between the two medicine balls when it comes to grip. So of course, with the medicine ball with handles, when you're doing a shoulder press, what you want to do is have your hands on the handles, make sure your knuckles are pointed up and your elbows are locked into your sides. So from this start position, you'll notice my feet are hip width apart. Again, knuckles are pointing up. I'm going to brace my core as hard as I can, and I'm going to come directly up and back down. Now, the common mistake on this one is that to allow people to get the full range of motion, what a lot of people will do is they'll start off by coming up, and then they'll use the lower back and hyperextend. So it's really important you keep that back nice and neutral. You're bracing your core in, so when you're doing your shoulder press, you're always in control of the movement without using momentum of the back. Now that's the handles. If you've got a medicine ball without handles, especially if you're using a heavy one, if you've got the same grip, you're not going to be as supported. We don't want to be dropping the medicine ball at all. I would have your hands underneath the medicine ball, a really wide finger position on the medicine ball as well. Get as much surface area with the hand as possible to protect and grip into that medicine ball. From here, I want you to imagine you're squeezing into the medicine ball. Really grip it hard. Same cues from here, elbows in, core braced, and you're coming directly up towards the ceiling and back down. If you find that you get to a point and then your lower back wants to arch, just go as far as you can, or alternatively lighten the weight of the medicine ball that you're using. That's how to do a medicine ball shoulder press with handles or without. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.